You can go straight to the cameras, right? You want to play more, right? So anyway, can we have a look on the what about the prices? Okay, you can actually get the cameras in two combinations. One is that's body only. So you can get it. The retail price in Malaysia is actually as listed on the screen is 18,338 ringgit, and this is for the body only. So can we get to the next one? Yeah, you can also get it together as a kit. It's actually selectable with the 24 and 120 f4 lenses. That will actually be having a listed price of 22,608 ringgit itself. So definitely this is a professional cameras that at the same time is still very one of the most competitive package out there compared to our competitors. So if you have any questions and